back to the Dolden Details channel. In this video this week, I'm testing this. This is VR Pro from OCD Finish. Now, we touched on this very briefly in the last video with the Ford Cougar wash with the funny looking bear. No, not me, the bear. And I didn't really delve into it enough because of poor light conditions. And I actually found a vehicle, as if by accident, where I can use this to its full potential. It's a typical Essex white van man, yes, a Ford Transit. As you saw, I did craftily with the video there, two sides, get it, the whole C thing, yeah, a bit corny, but I thought it was quite cool. I'm going to be testing this, giving my thoughts on it, my honest opinion. This is no way a sponsored video, as you know. I get sent products to test, just my point of view, and we will give a summary and a commentary all the way through. Roll the tape. And so it begins, and so did the blimmin' rain. Oh, we've been plagued with poor weather lately. So pretty faded trims, grubby interior, but not bad for a works vehicle. You two, get out. You're not even in the video. You shouldn't even be in there. Oh, that lovely Ford badge. The mark of a lunatic. I mean a van man. So roof pretty grubby. This all got APC'd and then rinsed down. No snow foam was used in this vehicle. On this vehicle. What are you talking about, Paul? Bit of roof cam action there. You can see how dull the day was. Rain was threatening all day. So we won't concentrate too much on the exterior in the video. What you really want to see is the interior stuff. So the usual stuff was done. Wheels given a good scrub. We have got a new tyre scrubbing brush coming up on the channel very soon. So somewhere where your local garage or supermarket wash, if you ever dare take your vehicle to one, they will never do this. Obviously this is what we do. Get to the bits that other people don't bother with, and also we do it a lot blimmin' safer. The one thing I did need for the roof was a set of steps, and I could just about reach. Well, I might be just under 6'5", but my God, talk about stretch. So a quick 2 bucket wash. As I said, we're really interested in the inside shots. So when it comes to doing things like this, prep is the key. Just giving a thorough hoovering. I wish I could do it this quick, honestly. That bit there is the worst part of a Transit. There, right in that crack. It's horrible. It's where all the peanuts and crisps end up. Not that I eat them when I'm driving a Transit, obviously. So we've got a detailing brush, work it right in there. So the floor was actually APC'd first, just to give the product a bit of a leg up, because it was blimmin' grubby. And then dried off with a old drying towel, and this, the Blaster Sidekick, before anything was applied. This is it, OCD's Finishes VR Pro. Now, on that inner arch, that's the bit I applied it to first. You can see the difference. Gives a lovely finish. A better shot for you. You can use this on your mats as well. So I thought I'd try it on the bumpers. Now, I used the microfiber. These are pretty faded, they're old, it's done 130,000 miles this vehicle. Now I actually think it excelled on the interior more than it did the exterior. It's me being my personal opinion. I gave this 2 coats. It dried out okay. It didn't transform the bumpers, it did make them look better. But I actually think it excels on the interior more on the rubbers. although you can use it on exterior plastics. And yet on the Ford Cougar, it came out really well. I think these tyres are pretty much past it. It does leave them factory finished though. It does clean at the same time. Even though I'd given these a pre-clean, it just seemed to add a bit more depth. And that's the final shot of the tyre. So she came good in the end. Not bad for a works vehicle. I think it's time we went back to the studio. So that was the Ford Transit clean. Now, what do we think of this? Well, used it last week on the Ford Cougar, and brilliant, really, really good. It works really, get your words out, Paul, really well on the plastics. On the Transit, it struggled slightly, but bearing in mind this car's done 130,000 miles. It's got these big bumpers. It sits in the sun. It goes up and down the A12 and all over the place. Goes into London, up the smoke. So it's done a lot of work. It's a lot of, it's an older vehicle anyway. It worked to a degree on the exterior plastics. The tyres are cracked. They're perished. This will actually stop cracking, by the way. It's a sealant, so it helps prolong the life of your rubbers and your plastic trims. It brought the rear bumper back really, really well, but on the front it struggled slightly, but then again that was particularly bad. On the interior, fantastic stuff, really, really good, because we drive Transits at work and you get this ingrained dirt. Once you've cleaned it off, they just dry, all sort of faded and blimmin' horrible. This actually restored it, and I was really, really blown away by that, to be honest with you. So in that respect, well worth a look. This actually retails at $8.99. Looking at my laptop over there, plus postage. Give the guys a look at their other products. Coming up on the channel with OCD, we've got this one. I want to give this a separate video as well. I'm trying to spread these videos out this year just to give you, to make it a bit of a better viewing experience rather than just cram them all in one video. And this is the glass sealant, so I look forward to using that. So thanks to Neil again for sending these products down. Link under the video as ever for the products. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up, interact with the channel, put your comments underneath, and also hit the notification button and subscribe for more videos. And I will see you again very, very soon. I'm going to go and put the kettle on.